Hi everyone, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan mashed potatoes. We're going to make these super creamy and garlicky and delicious, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make these. The first thing we are going to start with is 6 large Yukon Gold potatoes. These are the best ones for making mashed potatoes you can find. They look just like this. If you can't find large ones like this, no worries, you can use about 8 or 9 smaller Yukon Gold potatoes. So that is gonna be the amount we're gonna need. So you can leave the peel on if you want, but I'm actually gonna peel these and cut them into smaller pieces just to make this a little bit faster and easier. Peeling the potatoes is also going to make these mashed potatoes creamier. Okay, now I'm going to cut these potatoes into quarters just because they're big and I want them to boil a little bit faster. So just like this, I'm going to put them directly into the pot. I've got them all in the pot and you can see there's enough room in the pot, and now I'm going to cover it with some cold water. Now it's very important that we cover these in cold water and then bring them to a boil. This is going to cook the potatoes through evenly. If you throw your potatoes into boiling water, it can affect the starch and they will cook unevenly. So make sure you do follow this step. All right, now we are going to add in about 2 full teaspoons of salt. And then we're going to start bringing that to a boil. So once we're boiling and rapidly boiling, we can reduce that to medium. We want a rapid simmer, and we're going to let that cook until the potatoes are tender. So I'm going to check on them in 10 minutes, but likely this will take 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends on the size of your potatoes. Next, we're going to make our roasted garlic. So we're going to take 1 whole head of garlic and we're going to cut off either the top or bottom to expose those garlic cloves. Add that into a piece of tin foil and cover with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we want to wrap that up tightly and we're going to air fry it for about 20 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, you can bake it in the oven, but it does take longer. It takes about 45 minutes at 400 degrees. So this can be done in the oven. You'll just want to do this first before you start making your mashed potatoes. I have a 1/4 cup of vegan butter, and then I have my roasted garlic here. You can use about 5 to 6 cloves, about half a head of garlic if you don't want it to be a super strong garlic flavor, but I threw the entire thing in there, and I'm just going to add those in and mash them together. Now it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to do the fork test. I want to pierce it with a fork easily and have it just slide off the fork, be nice and tender, and that's perfect. Next, I'm just going to drain all the water off the potatoes. All right, now I'm going to add the mashed potatoes back into the pot. And then I'm going to add in my butter and garlic mixture. All right, now if you're using a Dutch oven like me, don't forget the oven mitt, and we are going to mash these up. And we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. And this is the nice fluffy consistency that I am looking for in my mashed potatoes. Creamy yet fluffy. And now, just to finish off these mashed potatoes, we're going to add either some chives or some fresh herbs, and we're going to add just a little square of vegan butter on top. That's going to melt on top and make it taste even better. And look at the consistency, look at the texture. Those are absolutely perfect. Taste test time.
That's nice. Delicious.
The perfect mashed potatoes. Fluffy and creamy.
That's good.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.